Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ivan Tingensten, and today I'm gonna do this video especially for you all who are always watching and supporting my channel. And today I have got an inspiration that I need to write this song, and I don't know actually from the beginning how to start, but I just started and I have written this only for 5 minutes, guys, and it is on Gracious Lord. And I suppose this is a song that which helps me that the Lord is calling me back to new life, and it is written on the 16/11/2022, and the time is now is 6 o'clock Indian time, 6 o'clock. It is in the evening, and I'm writing this song, guys, during my cooking time. And this song says like this: Gracious Lord, I overwhelmed by your love. You call me by my name, so I could not hesitate. Whom I am that you love me. I am trapped. See guys, I have some mistake here. I have some mistake here because this is originally written just now, so I couldn't written in a fair, so sorry for that. And actually I want to show that this is written originally just now by me. I am trapped by lies of this world. I am dragged by sins. I am putting a mask just to comfort, but all gone temporary. Until I found you, you are the one who loved me, and you will last forever. I found my hope in you. Lord, help me to persevere in you. I don't want to go back to my old life, just to be with you, stay at your feet, be in your presence, stay comfort, because I found freedom in you. Lead me, God, lest I will fall. Guide my way, because I trust in you. Be my shield, my light, and my strength. For I want heaven in return. So guys, this is not the end of this song. I have to write it properly and to correct with the grammar and all. So please do guys support me with your prayers so that these dreams will come true. And this is gonna be sung by me itself, so please do pray, I beg you, because this is not my way, and I know that this is God's ways, so we put our trust in him, and hope you guys will do well in days to come. So see you guys on the next. Bye bye.